what you want to do is you want to go onto the internet browser, copy that little symbol, then you want to get out of that, go back to Minecraft, and hold on, let's just wait for it to load up, and I'll show you what to do. Now, as you can see, we have the thing in here. We need to rename it. Once you got rid of the name, of course. Now, let's wait for the keyboard to pop up. And you have to have Gboard. You have to. So if you don't, download Gboard. And then, as you can see, it's right there. Boop. Oh, we already put one in. So, you need one. And then you put a K. As you can see, it's the cursed writing. And then you can put something random in, like chicken and turtle. And it will be cursed writing or cursed text. Now we push that, and look at that. Now we have a cursed text sword. And you can do this with armor, enchanted swords, anything. See? That's my OP sword. And then my armor. Ooh, and you can even do this on a sign. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you found it helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.